Hello! In this video, I'm going to show you everything you need to know to use courses with Academic Approach. To start, log in. Your email will be your school email, and your password will be capital A, lowercase a, your student ID number, and then an exclamation point. Sometimes your password will be the word password1 with a number 1. If you're having trouble logging in, click the Forgot Password button, and when you enter your email, it'll send you a link to reset your password. Once you're logged in, click the Courses button. Once you're on the Courses page, you'll click on the course you need for that day. There are two ways to navigate the courses: by clicking through the topics and categories, or by searching for a code. Your instructor will give you the code that you need to search for to find your lesson. Click on the search results when your code is highlighted in them. Each lesson will have a table of contents. You can navigate to any point in the lesson by clicking on the text of the table. Don't click on the circles, as those only show you how far you've progressed. You can also close the table of contents with the small arrow at the top. You can click on the notes icon to open up a notepad on the side of your screen. You can also click on the pencil icon to launch a whiteboard. The calculator icon launches a Desmos calculator, which you can use to graph or solve many equations. This calculator is nearly identical to the Desmos calculator you'll get on the digital ACT or SAT, so it's great to practice with this calculator if you're preparing for either of those tests. You can also launch a timer by clicking on the clock option. Each lesson will have examples and practice problems for you to work through, as well as exercises at the bottom of each lesson. You can click on your answers or cross off answers you want to eliminate, just like you will on the real test. Most exercises will have a couple of questions, so make sure to cycle through by clicking on the arrows at the top of each item box. When you're finished answering your questions, click the Next button in the bottom right-hand corner. If you need to navigate away from a certain lesson to another lesson, you can use the table of contents in the sidebar, or you can go to the main course page at the top. And that's everything you'll need to know to use the courses of My Academic Approach.